One of the things that I would want to talk about really about what leadership is really all about is um, really somebody having a vision and having the ability to rally people around that vision so that you can be able to accomplish something. When I came to the US about 14 years ago, I made a commitment, just like my daughter has talked about, making a change in the lives of women and children in Africa, and especially rural Africa, where we don't have facilities and all that. And one of the things that I felt about making a difference is looking at the children, for example, who have lost their parents. And I had no idea how I was going to do it. I had no money, to really kind of do any project. But I had the passion, I had the vision that there's a way that we can make a difference in the lives of those children, particularly because as a family we have been blessed. Most of my children are here in the US. I am teaching in one of the higher institutions of learning in the US. I mean, that really is huge, thinking about how far we have come. And for me to be able to give the children and the women in Africa a chance also to succeed was something that was really part of my vision. So, for example, I went home in 2006 in Kenya, and I realized that these children whose parents have died of HIV/AIDS were either living alone or they had been left out in the streets, and that in itself was something that triggered my attention to actually want to do something. And we converted our own home into an orphanage. So I went home, I looked at those children and said, we are going to make a difference in their lives. We have a home in Kenya that we are not using because most of my children are here. And I asked my son, we are going to convert that home into an orphanage. And we have been running that orphanage for the last 7 years. When I went to Kenya after starting the orphanage in 2007, I couldn't believe when I went home and I was finding all these children running around my home, and went into the house, and they had converted, some of the bedrooms where my children were living into dormitories with, bunk beds and all that. I mean, that in itself was powerful for me to see that I am making a difference in the lives of those children. Did I have a lot of money? No. I just used what I had. And for me, that is leadership. Sometimes you tend to see, think that you have to have everything or all the ducks in a row. When you are making a difference, and particularly when it comes now to looking at what you can do to improve the lives of people, it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to have a lot of money. I think you have to have a vision, and then be able to have a way that you can actually get people to really buy into your vision and help you actually accomplish that. You had what I did, of course, is that when I started that organization, I had to reach out to the people in the US and connect them, say, talk to them and say, look at how blessed you are to be this country. And yet there are children who are suffering and don't even have any food to eat. How can we make a difference? How can we actually look at what we have and then see how we can share what we have with other people? That in itself gets people to really see the importance of connecting and being part of that vision. And to me, that is really what matters. That is leadership.